In this video, we'll be showing you how we refill our stapler. So, having our stapler here and it's completely empty, first thing we're going to do is grab this metal mechanism and then also the top half of the stapler and gently pull them apart. As you can see, the spring is going to slide on back, and then we'll go ahead and lock the stapler open, allowing us to add more. Okay, so with the stapler locked in place, we can now grab our brand new staples, and we're going to make sure that we put the 2 points down into the stapler itself. Now it may slide, so we're going to push it up to the very front and then take that top half of the stapler and again close it back on itself. This is going to move that spring mechanism forward, which is going to push the staples into place when we're ready to use it. Now let's give it a test. Got our piece of paper here and we'll just push it together and we got a staple just like that. And that is how we refill our stapler. If you found this video helpful, it'd mean a lot if you could hit that like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.